ICT tools for students in elementary and middle schools. Important information and communication technology, ICT, tools for students in elementary and middle schools. There are several necessary information and communication technology, ICT, tools for kids in elementary and middle school. Here are a few examples. 1. Computers or laptops and tablets. These devices are essential for students to access educational software, research information, and complete assignments. 2. Internet access. Reliable internet connectivity is crucial for students to access online resources, collaborate with peers, and communicate with teachers. 3. Educational software and applications. Various educational software and apps help students practice skills, enhance learning, and engage in interactive activities. 4. Productivity tools. Students can benefit from using productivity tools like word processors, spreadsheets, and presentation software to complete assignments and projects. 5. Interactive whiteboards or projectors. These tools enable teachers to display content, videos, and interactive activities, fostering an engaging learning environment. 6. Educational websites and online platforms. Access to educational websites and online learning platforms can provide additional resources, practice exercises, and interactive learning experiences. 7. Multimedia tools. Tools such as digital cameras, video cameras, and audio recorders allow students to create multimedia projects, enhancing their creativity and presentation skills. 8. Online collaboration tools. Platforms that support online collaboration, such as Google Docs or Microsoft Teams, enable students to work together on projects, share ideas, and provide feedback. 9. Learning management systems. LMS platforms help manage and organize educational materials, assignments, and assessments, allowing for efficient communication between teachers, students, and parents. 10. Online safety tools. It is crucial to have appropriate internet security measures, content filters, and parental controls to ensure a safe online environment for students. Remember, the specific ICT tools may vary depending on the school's resources, curriculum, and educational goals. There are several places where you can find educational tools and supplies for elementary and middle school students. Here are a few options. 1. Local educational supply stores. Many cities have stores dedicated to educational materials. These stores offer a wide range of tools, manipulatives, books, and supplies specifically designed for students of all ages. For example, 2. Online retailers. Websites like Amazon, Lakeshore Learning, and Really Good Stuff offer a vast selection of educational tools and supplies. You can browse through their catalogs and order items that suit your needs. 3. Teacher supply stores. Some stores cater specifically to teachers and offer a variety of educational materials. These stores often have a wide selection of supplies and resources for elementary and middle school students. 4. School supply stores. Traditional school supply stores usually carry a range of educational tools and supplies. While they may not have as extensive a selection as specialized educational stores, they can still be a good option for basic supplies. 5. Educational publishers. Many educational publishers have online stores where you can find teaching resources, workbooks, and other educational materials for elementary and middle school students. Some well-known publishers include Scholastic, Pearson, and McGraw-Hill. Remember to consider your specific needs and budget when looking for educational tools and supplies. It can also be helpful to reach out to other teachers or educators in your school or district for recommendations and suggestions. You may also consider getting these information and communication technology, ICT, tools for your kids and loved ones from the links below on. Computer accessories. Desktop computers. Laptops. Tablets. Video cameras. Audio recorders. Digital cameras. Manipulatives books. Educational tools and supplies. Scholastic books. Teacher supply stores. Teaching resources. Pearson books. McGraw-Hill books. Workbooks and other educational materials. The importance of workbooks to kids cannot be overemphasized. You would also find a list of valuable workbooks good for kids at this level. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel before you leave.